Have you ever noticed how easy it is to come up with wellness activities, but how much harder it is to get employees to actually stick with them? That's one of the biggest challenges organizations face, because a wellness challenge by itself isn't really a strategy. A lunch and learn isn't a strategy. A health fair isn't a strategy. They're all tools, and the organizations that see the best results understand the difference. Strong employee wellness strategies start by asking a few important questions. What are employees struggling with? What health risks are most common? What kind of culture are we going to create? And what would make a wellness program feel meaningful, not like just another initiative? Now, once those questions are answered, the activities become much easier to choose. That's where effective health promotion ideas really come into play. Maybe it's helping employees move more throughout the day. Maybe it's stress management resources. Or perhaps it's improving nutrition, sleep, or financial wellness for your employees. Yes, the specific activity matters, but the strategy behind it matters even more. Because employees are far more likely to engage in wellness when it feels relevant to their lives. The most successful programs aren't built around random activities. They're purposeful and built around consistent support and helping employees make small improvements over time. And when that happens, wellness stops being something employees occasionally participate in and starts becoming part of the culture. Learn more at WellSteps.com.